Today's medical-centric topic is Beetroot 101, Nutrition Facts and Health Benefits. Beets might not win any popularity contests, but this vibrant root veggie is a true nutritional powerhouse. Whether roasted, juiced, or blended into smoothies, beetroot offers a unique mix of antioxidants, vitamins, and natural nitrates that support everything from heart health to workout performance. Let's dive into what makes beets so special. Nutrition Snapshot. Per 1 cup cooked. 60 calories, 2.2 grams of protein, 0.2 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbs, 3.8 grams of fiber. Rich in folate, 37% of the daily value, manganese, potassium, vitamin C, and iron. Beets are also low in fat and packed with beneficial plant compounds like betalains, which give them a deep red color and powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Top health benefits. Supports heart health. Beets are high in natural nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. Regular beet consumption has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Improves athletic performance. Those same nitrates boost oxygen delivery to muscles, making beets a popular pre-workout food. Studies show beet juice may enhance endurance and help athletes perform better with less fatigue. Boosts brain function. Better blood flow means more oxygen to your brain, too. Some research suggests beetroot may improve cognitive function and slow age-related brain decline, especially in older adults. Aids digestion. With nearly 4 grams of fiber per cup, beets support a healthy gut, prevent constipation, and may help promote beneficial gut bacteria. Rich in antioxidants. Beets are packed with betalains, powerful compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These may help reduce oxidative stress and protect against chronic diseases like cancer. Supports detoxification. Beetroot helps support liver function by enhancing the body's natural detox enzymes, thanks in part to compounds like betaine. How to add beets to your diet. Roast and toss into salads or grain bowls. Blend into smoothies or juices. Spiralize raw beets for a colorful slaw. Add to soups like borscht. Try beet hummus for a colorful, nutrient-packed dip. Tip: beets can stain your hands, clothes, and yes, even your pee. Don't be alarmed if things look a little pink later. Bottom line: beetroot is low in calories, high in nutrients, and loaded with health benefits. Whether you eat them raw, cooked, or juiced, these earthy roots can be a flavorful and functional part of a healthy diet.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.